Start recording. Stop recording. Button.
Hi, I'm Ty, and today I'm going to be doing the fidget spinner versus fidget spinner challenge. It's a challenge that I just made up now. So the way it'll work is I'm going to pick two fidget spinners, and I'm going to spin them both, and whichever one spins the longest wins that round. And then at the end, I'm going to pick the one. I'm gonna spin two of the winners, and there, whoever's the when I'm down to the last two, whoever spin and whichever one spins the fastest wins the challenge. Okay, so the first round, I'm going to do the musical fidget spinner versus the light up fidget spinner. Okay, that one spun for 44 seconds, and now I have the light up one. So this one is actually really cool. Like, you press the buttons, and it actually lights up. It's actually a strobe light fidget spinner. The musical fidget spinner wins that round. And the next one it is gonna be my other light up fidget spinner versus my glow in the dark fidget spinner. That one spun for 29 seconds. The light up fidget spinner wins the round. Alright, now just so everybody knows the reason why this one has holes in it is I took the ball bearings out to make a fidget spinner. Now the next one I'm going to do is this cube fidget spinner versus the paw print fidget spinner. Now this fidget spinner, I actually found it at some street fair. It's really cool. It's cube shaped. It kind of spins if you blow on it too. I don't know why it didn't work right now. that one spun for 14 seconds, and this one spun for 3 seconds, so the cube fidget spinner wins the round. Okay, so now I have this fidget spinner versus this fidget spinner with like weights in it. Okay, so this one's just really just a regular fidget spinner. There's nothing really special about this one, but it's still cool. That one spun for 90 seconds, and now sorry guys, that fidget spinner, it just hit my phone, so that's why it fell. So that one spun or 12 seconds, so this fidget spinner wins the round. Okay, now I'll just tell you guys, I'm not gonna do this with all of my fidget spinners because, you know, I have a lot. The video would be forever if I did that. So now I have my football fidget spinner versus the silicone fidget spinner. That one spun for 40 seconds, and now that one spun for 23 seconds, so the football one wins the round. Okay, so now I am going to do this polka dot fidget spinner. Okay, Okay, so I'm doing the polka dot fidget spinner versus the ultimate fidget spinner. So I'll tell you guys, the ultimate one's probably going to spin the longest, but let's just spin them and see. That one spun for 30 seconds, and now the ultimate fidget spinner. Alright, so I'm just going to tell you right now that the ultimate fidget spinner won this round. So now we're going to pick, I'm going to pick the finalists. So now we're going to pick the finalists. So now these fidget spinners are all the finalists. So, I mean, I might have some finalists after these. I don't know, but these are the finalists, and we're gonna pick the winners. So now I'm gonna do the cube fidget spinner versus the light up fidget spinner, or it's the strobe one. Actually, no, it's not. It's the one where you spin it and it lights it up. The other one I was talking about was actually not in a finalist. The light up fidget spinner wins the round. So now we have the musical fidget spinner versus the polka dot fidget spinner. Alright, so the musical fidget spinner wins that round. Now I'm going to do the football fidget spinner versus the ultimate fidget spinner. Okay, the ultimate fidget spinner wins that round. And now actually, I have one more fidget spinner left that wasn't in this round, so we're just gonna go with the finalists. Okay, so now it's gonna be the light up fidget spinner versus this fidget spinner. Okay, the light up fidget spinner wins that round. Okay, so now I'm gonna do ultimate fidget spinner versus musical fidget spinner. Okay, this fidget spinner actually spins longer than that. I just stopped it short so that the video isn't too long. Okay, the ultimate fidget spinner wins that round. Alright. So now we have this is the final round. So now this round, it's going to be the ultimate fidget spinner versus the light up fidget spinner. All right, now the final winner is the ultimate fidget spinner. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to follow me on Musical.ly at TroubleMan18. Bye!